Hi, I'm Mayuri and I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to make some easy, tasty, eggless rasamalai cake. Start off by adding 1 3/4 cups of flour into a large bowl or stand mix. Add in ½ cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Combine the dry ingredients with a whisk or at a very low speed on the stand mixer. Make sure to scrape down the sides at the end. Add in a cup of milk found with the rasamalai, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Mix well with a whisk again, or blend it around speed 4 or 5 in the stand mixer. Add normal milk if necessary in between. Scrape down the sides with a spatula or wooden spoon and mix well again. Once you reach the thick but flowing consistency of cake batter, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is on, take out your cake pan and line the bottom with a circular cutout of parchment paper, and spread the edges with some oil. Pour the cake batter in and smoothen it out. If you want to have a circular tiered cake, use 2 pans to stack the cakes on top of each other later, but I will be using one and cutting it in half. Give it a few taps on the counter so the batter settles. Then, take it to the preheated oven and bake for around 30 minutes. While the cake is in the oven, we can prepare the frosting. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, ½ cup of rasamalai milk, and use a handheld beater or a stand mixer at a very high speed to whisk until bubbles form. Add around ½ to 1 cup of powdered sugar. I use 3/4 cups of sugar. Add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whisk until soft peaks form. Chill the frosting when done. Take out the chilled frosting and the cooled and cut cake and start layering with frosting with a normal or offset spatula. Place the pieces on top of each other and start doing the sides. It makes it easier to frost on a plate that moves around easily. You don't have to be fancy right now because this is just a crumb coat, but you can add more later. Chill the frosted cake for 20 to 30 minutes in the fridge. Take out the chilled cake and start decorating with semicircle rasamalai. Be creative and cut and design them any way you want. Garnish the top with rasamalai milk and crushed pistachios. You can chill the cake some more or serve right away. Enjoy!